Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Um, Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate all the comments, all the thumbs ups. So keep on doing what you're doing. I enjoy getting to know everyone, talking to everyone, and yeah, so I hope everyone's having a great week. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you. And let's get into this. So, this comes to me from GBFKE. Now, I really love their store. This is a budget-friendly company. And normally I have everything still in their bag, but I have started taking everything out, getting it flattened out so that we can just jump right into the kits. Now, this is going to be a little different because I have gone ahead and took and unbagged and flattened, and you can see that there are 3 different kits here. Now, the reason I did this is because all 3 of these are almost the same thing. So I figured, why not just show them all to you at the same time? So, all 3 of these kits come with the standard toolkit, which is the wax, the green boat, and the pink pen. Nothing else comes with these kits. All just your normal, regular, standard toolkit, which is all that you need to complete these kits. So, all right, so I'm not going to take these out of the bags and show them to you because they're just all round. And as you can see, they are all just different colors. And I will show you which drills go with which kit, but it is mostly going to be a lot of white drills. We've got greens and browns. We've got blues and browns and purples, reds. We've got pinks and yellows and greens and blues. We've just got all the colors, but a lot of whites. Why? Because I got these. So, I got March, I got April, and I got May. So, we'll start with March. I have been wanting these for so long. And I don't know why in the world it has took me this long to start getting these, but I want all of them. So I think that's what I'm going to do is I am going to just collect them all until I have all the months. So we have got March, which you know St. Patrick's Day is in March. So I just got these 2 days ago. So I have not had time to do this one. But I'm going to try to do this one by the end of March anyway, and I might have it for next year. Or I might just wait and do him next year and just go ahead and start on April. But as you can see, it says March up here, and then it says Lucky. He has 20 colors, and it does have the DMC numbers on here. It has 1 through 20 schematic on the top left, bottom right. They are all 40 by 40 centimeters. It is very sticky, and it is going to be a lot of color blocking and a lot of confetti. So I think pretty much they're all going to be about the same. So it's going to be, you know, fairly fast working canvases. So it's very clear And I'm not seeing anything bad. And it looks like, too, with the schematic, it is all letters. So that's good, too. So this is B1205, which is this. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of greens. There's some orange, just a lot of different greens, and a lot of white. And then there's some orange. So these go with this. These are all poured glue. They are all round. So yeah. And I know quite a few diamond painters have done these. So this is not something new. But I really like them. So there's the March. Now April, it says April and then spring. I have got a gnat in here. And then spring. And it's got butterflies. And I don't know if this is like a cocoa or maybe it's, I don't know what kind of drink that is. Maybe it's a coffee. Then it's got some hearts. And again, it is a 40 by 40. And it has 20 colors with the DMC, all letters. Schematic is on the top left and on the bottom right. Very sticky. And again, it is also color blocking and confetti. Nothing wrong with the drill field. It looks great. The colors are more along the lines of pastels. And this is B1206, which would be these. So this is the one with the blues and the purples and some pinks. And all the white. Yeah, and there's some pinks and some lavenders, like some baby blues up in there. Just different shades. So, I like this one. Alright, so, then we come to the May. And it is a 40 by 40. 20 colors, DMC, letters, schematics in the top left, bottom right. Good and sticky. Of course, like I said, all of the white is going to be oh my goodness. We've got both color blocking and confetti. That's what I'm trying to say. And then it says May and flowers. Drill field looks good. And it looks like it's a cup of cocoa with marshmallows. But it looks good. And I like those colors. So, B1207, B1207. So here's the colors. There's greens, there's pink, blue, there's another green, another pink, just different shades of pinks and greens and a lot of whites. Some orange, beige, just different colors. Just different shades. So what do y'all think? How many of y'all has done these calendar? Whoop, knocking them dogs off. Wait a minute. Let me get them right here. How many of y'all has done these canvases? I'm just curious. Because like I said, I've seen them probably 2 years ago and wanted them, but just never did get them. And I don't know why. I should have, but I didn't. But yeah, I like them. I think they're so, so pretty, the colors and everything. So, what do y'all think? I like them. So, thank you to GBFKE for sending these to me. And I will leave the links to these in my description box. That way you can check them out if y'all want to try to get these and do them yourself also. So, yeah, just let me know what y'all think in the comment box, and let me know if y'all have done these. And like I said, I'm going to try to get the rest of them. I didn't want to start with January and February. So I ordered these back at the end of January. And like I said, I just got them like 2 days ago. So I thought maybe I'd get them a lot. Well, I thought I'd gotten them to where I could have gotten March done before now. So, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I think they're pretty. So, all right, y'all. That's all I got. So, until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.